One of the most important features of generating AI-based character images is maintaining consistent facial features, or as it's referred to, consistent character. Most YouTube tutorials for creating consistent characters often utilize paid platforms like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Midjourney. In this tutorial, we aim to teach you the easiest way to create a consistent character completely for free. Please search for Tensor on Google and click on the first option. Then, on the Open page, click on the Model option. And select 3D from the drop-down menu. On the subsequent page, you can choose any of the 3D models you desire for creating your desired character. I will select this model. Click on the Run button. After that, click here. And you can sign in with Google or Discord. Type your prompt about your character you want to create in here. And you can change here aspect ratio, landscape, or portrait. And choose number of the image you want. I want to choose 2 and click on Generate button. After that, you can see your picture here, and if you want to change the action, like sitting down or cry or running, change the verb on the prompt. If you enjoyed this video, you can watch more videos in this field and also support us by liking and subscribing.